In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI with image input effectively, allowing you to enhance your interaction with this fantastic tool. Whether you're new to Claude or have dabbled with it before, this guide will set you on the right path to make the most out of its capabilities with images. First things first, let's get you to access Claude. For this, you'll need to either open your web browser and navigate to Claude AI, or if you have it installed, launch the Claude desktop app directly. This is your gateway to a world of AI-powered possibilities. Once you've got Claude open, the next step is to start a conversation. You'll do this by clicking on the chat interface to get going. It's quite intuitive, designed to be user-friendly, so you won't find it too tricky to start your interaction. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: uploading an image. You're going to look for an Attach a File button. It usually looks like a paperclip icon, something quite familiar across different platforms. Give that button a click. Then, a window will pop up, prompting you to select your image file. This file can be any image stored on your device that you want Claude to analyze. But if you're a fan of simplicity or a quick drag-and-drop enthusiast, yes, you can just drag the image from your files right into the chat window. The choice is yours, and both methods are equally effective. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to engage Claude with your prompt. This is where you'll tell Claude what you need help with regarding your image. Think of it as starting a conversation with a friend about a new snapshot or chart you've just come across. You might type in something like, "Can you analyze this chart and summarize the key trends?" Or any specific question or task you want Claude to tackle in relation to your image. When crafting your prompt, be clear and precise about what you're looking to achieve. This ensures that Claude can offer you the most accurate and relevant analysis. With these steps complete, Claude AI will generate a response based on the image and the prompt you've provided. It's designed to make analyzing and understanding images simpler and more accessible by using advanced AI capabilities to highlight trends, details, or anomalies present in your image input. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Claude AI's impressive image processing skills. It's all about making technology work for you, enhancing your productivity, and freeing up your time for other creative pursuits. So there you have it. Dive in, use these steps, and let Claude AI assist you in turning your images into insightful data points. Enjoy exploring the world of AI with Claude, and watch how it transforms the way you interact with image-based content.